Okay, tell me what's happening.
We're moving on well, with an exception that I have not succeeded yet with the rock wallet.
It's Friday the 18th of July 2024 and I'm establishing a phone call with Bwambale Morish in Kasese, Uganda about setting up a group of 100 people to have rock wallets to hold the cryptocurrency, well, the digital payment system called BSV, and he seems to be happy to do that, and I will put into each of those accounts, if we succeed, $1 US so that they can start transacting with each other for buying things and selling things to each other, instead of using their customary method of paying each other with phone time, which is the way it's done over there. That costs them maybe $2 or $3 per month, and by using BSV they can eliminate that. Now, $2 or $3 a month doesn't sound like much, but in Uganda it's probably the equivalent to, say, US $3 or $4, and they can actually buy a meal with that. So it's a little bonus, and it opens them up also to global transactions as well, not just locally.
I was telling you that I tried to get to internet, trying to access the rock wallet, but I had noted the recovery phrase down, but I didn't have it at that time. So when I tried to check in, it didn't succeed. So I'm trying to think tomorrow I'm gonna get to town and access some good internet services. Then I'll be able to try it, because I'll be having all these phrases and all the login details.
Okay, very good. Now, if you can, also try to create an Electrum SV wallet as well, because it gives you extra flexibility. They're both good wallets, and if one person can't do it on the can't do it on the rock wallet, they can do it on the Electrum. So try to achieve both if you can.
Which wallet is that?
It's called Electrum.
The one you sent me.
Yeah. I'll tell you now. It's Electrum, E-L-E. In fact, I'll type it in so that you can see it. Electrum SV. I'll type it into WhatsApp. Just hold on. Electrum SV.
Okay.
Electrum SV. Has that gone through? I'll type it again. I don't see it there. Electrum SV. Okay. Yeah, I've typed it in, but you can see it before. If you have any trouble, let me know. But for you, because you are,
I'll try to.
Because you are leading this in Uganda, I will put $1 into the Electrum SV account as well, and as well as your Rock Wallet account, so that you can send money between those. Now, what I need from you, as soon as you succeed in getting your Rock Wallet, you can open and use your Rock Wallet. Click the button that says Receive, so that I can send to you $1 US. And the same thing with the Electrum SV. If you get it going, click the Receive, and then take a copy of the address, because it will give you a long coded address. Each of those wallets will each give you a coded address. It'll be something like 1AJPQ, something like that. And you copy that, and then you email that to me or send it to me in WhatsApp, and that means that I can send the money to your address in Rock Wallet or in Electrum or both, and you will know the process. The first stage is get the wallet going so I can put some money into it, and then we can transact a little just to practice, small amounts, very small amounts, and once you're good at that, we can start getting other people to do the same thing. Is that all right?
It is okay. I'll do it.
Good, excellent. Now, again, just so anyone watching this on YouTube, If you can do that, not only can you send little bits of money between each other in the form of BSV and save the cost of the transaction doing it with phone time, but it opens up you and all others to global transactions to do little services for people anywhere in the world and be paid in BSV instead of being restricted with costly transaction fees and long delays. So it's both local for you between each other, but it also opens up the whole world for you to do services, small services. Maybe you could watch somebody's dog, mind somebody's dog for an hour while they go for a swim, and you can say, look, I'll do that for $2 US. Okay? So the person in California says, thanks, that's great, we'll do it. You understand what I mean?
Yes, I'm picking you.
Okay, good. All right, how is everything else going? How on the farm and the pigs and the chickens and the grain mill?
The grain mill is doing well, actually. The operation is a little bit better because we are doing the production for the customers, like I've been telling you.
Yeah.
So we are perfectly doing it.
Okay. So you're doing grain milling as a service?
Yes, grain mill, yes.
Now, what about the publicity? Are people hearing about you just by word of mouth, or are you using the leaflet to publicize it?
I am using the leaflet.
Okay, good. Now, again, remember...
Actually,
Go ahead.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I was saying that I am using actually both. I'm using networking and also the leaflets.
Okay, good. Excellent. Now, if we get the BSV activity going well, I can create for you literature to make it easy to understand for other people. So that would be part of it. But the first stage is achieve a working Rock Wallet and achieve a working Electrum SV, and then we can proceed from there. I'm delighted to have spoken with you.
I'll be delighted to speak to you too.
All right. I'll talk to you again later. Bye.
Bye.